Bushini. So today's video is going to be a bit different from my usual videos, and we will be joined by a special guest, my nephew. And a lot of you guys have been wondering whether or not little kids in the Xhosa culture are able to pronounce Xhosa clicks. Some of you say maybe they can't at the very young age. Some of you guys are saying maybe they can. So in today's video we'll be putting that theory to the test, and I will be discovering with you guys whether or not little children are able to pronounce Xhosa clicks. And without further ado, let's get started. Singaphozisanga maseko, masigawule siwarhoqa. In order to test the theory of whether or not kids are able to pronounce Xhosa clicks, the first item I'm going to show him is what is this?
Iphaka.
Yintoni?
Phaka.
Ngokugqibela?
Iphaka. Incwadi. Incwadi.
Yintoni yona le?
Siskip.
Yintoni?
Escape.
Maybe I should say these words with him so that you guys can dictate whether or not we are saying the same thing, okay? He said this is
Uphaka.
uphaka,
Siskip.
iskipha, and then lena yona yintoni?
Iqhina.
Iqhina. Iqhina. Muthe yintoni?
Iqhina.
Okay. Lena yona yintoni?
Iqanda.
Iqanda. Yintoni?
Iqanda.
Yintoni?
Iqanda.
Khawuphinde futhi
Iqanda.
ngokugqibela.
Iqanda.
Okay. Let us move on to this one. What is this?
Iqiqi.
Yintoni lena?
Iqiqi.
Iqiqi. Iqiqi. Okay, what else? Yintoni yona lena?
Inqwasi.
Yeah, umnqwazi. Lona ngumnqwazi. What is this?
Inqwasi.
Okay. This one?
Iqhiya.
Iqhiya. Iqhiya. What is this?
Iqhiya. Umqala.
Umqala. What is this?
Umqala.
What is this?
Back.
In Xhosa?
Umqolo.
Umqolo. Umqolo.
Umqolo.
Okay, what else should I do? What do I use for brushing my teeth?
A toothbrush.
What is it in Xhosa? Isiqubo. 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 One last time.
Isiqubo.
Okay, what did I say? When I say do this, What am I saying?
keep quiet
In Xhosa,
ทูเราดีกว่า
Thula uthi quack. Thula uthi quack.
ทูเราอุทิศกว่า
Again.
ทูเราอุทิศกว่า
Okay, yeah, I think we have, yeah, I think we have done all the words I thought of doing, so I guess that is going to be it from my nephew. Say goodbye to everyone.
Goodbye everyone